guys, that guy over there. Today, I'm going to do something that I haven't done in a while. Cat vlog number 7. Trixie, jeez, you're fast. Boo! Boo! Trixie! Oh my gosh, she's grown up so much since the last cat vlog. Like, she can climb on this chair. She knew I was doing it. Hi, Trixie. Get off from under the chairs, please. Ow! Hey, don't bite me. Don't bite me, Trixie. 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 Please don't bite me. Please don't. Trixie May. Wait, May is the middle name. What the heck? I gotta run. Trixie, are you gonna come out or what? Trix, please come out. Wait, no, I know how to get her out. If I could. I guess we're gonna have to do this the hard way. Trixie May, you are under arrest. Oh, she got out. See if I can pick up a baseball with my foot. It's almost impossible. I can't do it. I bet I could do this. Wait. No, come on. Where'd you go? I know where you are. Going onto my art desk, aren't you? Boo! You're gonna destroy all the paper. See you guys later. Cat vlog number 7. Bye-bye.